Hello guys, welcome to Play Store Babaji, and today here we are going to discuss about a cool topic, and it is related to computer. It is known as artificial intelligence. So let's get started. So the first question is, what is artificial intelligence? So artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that emphasizes the creation of intelligent machines that works and reacts like us or like humans. So now we have learned about what is artificial intelligence. So now our main concern is what and how it is used in computers. So I am going to tell you the usefulness of AI. The computer with AI can perform the following tasks. It can recognize your speech, it can learn through the inputs made into it, and it can do planning with the data that is inputted in the computer, and it can also do problem solving. Now I'm going to tell you some problems related to artificial intelligence programming. In artificial intelligence, we have to program computer so that it can imitate the human brains. So the main problem arises when we try to program computer for certain traits of human like knowledge, learning, reasoning, planning, problem solving, ability to move objects. It's quite difficult to give these traits to computer. That is why programming AI is very difficult. Now I'm going to tell you the core parts or the principles on which AI is based. The first is knowledge engineering. In knowledge engineering, a huge amount of data or knowledge is provided to the computer, and it is seen that when abundant knowledge is provided to the computer, it somehow or tries and imitates like humans. AI must have access to objects, categories, properties, and relations between all of them to implement knowledge engineering. With the help of knowledge engineering, computer often act and react like humans. Machine learning is another core principle of AI, in which computer analyzes, supervises, and draws patterns in the input, and then draws conclusion with the help of which it can reach to its goal easier and with the use of intelligence. Machine perception is the third and the last principle of AI, in which sensory inputs are inputted into the computer to deduce the different aspects of the world. So it's now time to learn the examples of AI. Now I'm going to tell you where AI is used. AI is not an alien program. It is present in your computer or in your mobile phone. The examples are CAPTCHA codes that differentiates between a robot and a human while entering PIN or password in a computer, cloud storage, an app like Campfire, Shazam, and some of you may know this. Your Google Assistant or Siri is a artificial intelligence. Second is the self-drive cars that is being developed. Now I am going to tell you the goals of AI. The goal of AI is learning, solve problems, and think like humans. So you have noticed that the main concept of AI is to imitate humans. Now it's time to get into the history of AI. The first appearance of AI was in Greek mythology, where it was seen in Talos, a critic. In the stories of Frankenstein, we get a view of AI. But recently, the first research of AI was started in Dartmouth College in 1956. Now, you should know that some computer which works on AI are IBM Watson and Deep Blue. Deep Blue is a chess computer which defeated the world champion Garry Kasparov in the chess. Now, a main question may arise in your mind. Now, which programming language is used to design AI? It's very simple. Microsoft Python is used to develop and program AI.